Gaming motherboards are the backbone of a high-performance PC, providing stability, speed, and support for powerful components. Here are the best gaming motherboards of 2026, offering advanced features, strong connectivity, and excellent upgrade potential for smooth gaming performance. Starting at number 1, MSI MAG B6660M Mortar Motherboard. The MSI B6660M Mortar motherboard is designed to support 12th Gen Intel Core, Pentium, and Celeron processors with an LGA 1700 socket, making it a versatile choice for personal computers. It is compatible with DDR4 memory technology and operates at a memory clock speed of 2133 MHz. The motherboard features a premium thermal solution, including an extended heatsink design and M2 shield frozer, which ensure high performance and reliability during intensive tasks. Additionally, it comes equipped with a 2.5G LAN and Intel Wi-Fi solution, providing an upgraded network experience ideal for professional and multimedia applications, ensuring a secure, stable, and fast network connection. Number 2, ASUS TUF Gaming Z590 Plus. The ASUS motherboard is designed for personal computers, specifically gaming desktops, and features an LGA 1200 CPU socket, making it compatible with 10th and 11th generation Intel Core processors. It supports DDR4 RAM memory technology with a memory clock speed of up to 5333 MHz. This model, equipped with an Intel Z590 chipset, is optimized for Windows 10 and boasts a range of advanced features aimed at maximizing performance and durability. It includes an enhanced power solution with 14+2 MOS power stages, ProCool sockets, military-grade TUF components, and DigiPlus yarns. What was it, VRM? The comprehensive cooling system consists of VRM heatsinks, a PCH fanless heatsink, M2 heatsinks, and hybrid fan headers managed by the Fan Expert 4 utility. For ultra-fast gaming networking, it incorporates Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX201, a 2.5 GB LAN interface, TUF LANguard, and TurboLAN technology. Additionally, it offers rapid connectivity options with triple M2 NVMe SSD support, a front panel USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C header, and a Thunderbolt 4 header, ensuring that gamers have the best possible experience. Number 3, ASUS Prime B550MA. The ASUS Prime B550MA Wi-Fi 2 is a motherboard designed for personal computers, featuring a socket AM4 compatible with AMD's third-generation Ryzen CPUs. It supports DDR4 RAM and has a memory clock speed of 2133 MHz, making it suitable for high-performance computing. This model is equipped with the AMD B550 chipset and offers ultra-fast connectivity options, including a PCIe 4.0 x16 safe slot, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, 1GB LAN, and dual M2 slots for NVMe SSDs, one of which supports PCIe 4.0 x4 connectivity. Additionally, it includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports and HDMI 2.1 capabilities for 4K at 60 Hz output. The motherboard also features comprehensive cooling solutions with VRM and PCH heatsinks, hybrid fan headers, and the Fan Expert 2 utility. For enhanced durability and protection, it incorporates 5X Protection 3, which includes LANguard, DRAM overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, safe slot core safeguards, and a stainless steel back IO. Lastly, the ASUS OptiMem technology allows memory kits to function at higher frequencies with lower voltages, optimizing overall system performance. Number 4, GIGABYTE B550 ATX motherboard. The GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 motherboard is designed for personal computers and is compatible with AMD Ryzen processors from the 3000, 4000, and 5000 series, utilizing the socket AM4. It supports DDR4 RAM technology with a memory clock speed of 3200 MHz and can accommodate up to 4 DIMMs, enhancing memory performance with AMD Expo memory module support. The motherboard features an advanced power solution with a digital twin 10+3 phases VRM design, ensuring steady power delivery through premium chokes and capacitors. Additionally, it is equipped with advanced thermal armor that includes enlarged VRM heatsinks and 5WMK thermal pads for improved heat dissipation, along with pre-installed I/O armor for easier assembly. This motherboard is compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11, making it a versatile choice for modern computing needs. Number 5. GIGABYTE B650 Eagle Axe Motherboard. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle Axe is a motherboard designed for personal computers featuring an AMD socket AM5 that supports the latest AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors. It is compatible with DDR5 RAM and includes 4 SMD DIMMs that support both AMD Expo and Intel XMP memory modules, ensuring high performance with a memory clock speed of 5200 MHz. The motherboard is built on the AMD B650 chipset and is optimized for Windows 11. It boasts an advanced thermal design with a robust 12+2+2 phases digital VRM solution, ensuring power stability and enhanced M2 SSD performance with its M2 thermal guard. Connectivity options are extensive, featuring one PCIe 5.0 slot, two PCIe 4.0 M2 slots, and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C ports. For networking, it includes GB LAN and supports AMD Wi-Fi 6E, while fine-tuning features such as SmartFan 6 and QFlash provide users with additional customization options.